Okay, on we go with question 3 with hopefully no more interruptions. Okay, this is the SQA 2015 National 5 Lifeskills Mathematics, and it's the calculator paper. Question 3. Mrs. Smith has decided to get the roof of her extension reslated. She contacts a local roofing contractor to get an estimate, and as you can see here, there's a whole, he has a kind of method of working out his estimate. Okay, so each side of the roof is a 5x3, and here's what we do. Right, calculate the area of one side. 5 times 3, 15. Double it, 30. Double it again, 60. Times it by 16, so just in your calculator here, 960 slates, and add on 15%. How do you get 15% of 960? Divide it by 100 and times it by 15, and that gets 144 slates. So 960 plus 15%, he needs 1104 slates. Each slate is 97p. So 1104 times 0.97 is £1,070.88, and he has to round it off to nearest 100. That's nearer 1100 than the lower one. The other one would be 1000. So it's 1100 to the nearest 100. Okay, on to question 3 continued. On to question B. Mrs. Smith asked for a local for the total price including labour. The builder works this out using the following: strip and clean the roof, 8 hours, replace the slates, 1 square metre per hour. Okay, and he charges £22 an hour. How much will the labour cost be? Well, 8 times 22, that's cleaning and stripping the roof, plus, now remember the area of the roof was 30 square metres, we'll work that one out in part A. 30 times 22 gives you a total of £836 for the labour. Okay, and here we have the bill for part C. Mrs. Smith will go ahead. There seems to be a lot of the ones where you have to make a comparison at the end, so you have to be wary of that for future years of this. Mrs. Smith will go ahead if the written estimate is less than 2,500, complete the written estimate below. Okay, so the estimated cost of the slates was 1100, that's what we got earlier on. Labour costs, we've only just got, just there. Subtotal means you add these two together to see what the total is so far. Work out 20% VAT. To get 20%, you just divide it by 5. Or, if you want to be a bit slower, you can divide it by 100 and times it by 20. That will always work. That ends up being £387.20. Add that to your subtotal is £2,323.20. Yep, so she's okay. That's below the 5,000. So Mrs. Smith will accept the builder's estimate because at 2323.20, that's less than the 2,500 she'd budgeted for.